Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Mercedes C180. This is a W203 and basically I'm fitting some rear parking sensors, but I'm going to remove the rear bumper. So I'm just going to show you how I'm going to go about removing the rear bumper in case you need to remove it for any purpose. I'm doing it because I need to obviously pass the wires through these holes into the car, and I just want to see the best way to do it. As a result, I need to remove the bumper. This is a 2005 and this is the estate version. So having said all of that, I'm gonna start by removing some clips and a 10mm bolt that is on this side. So let's get that. I'm gonna get the camera turned around. Okay, so just try to put a bit of light in there. Basically behind this cover here and just up there, let me get this, might not need this light actually. Right, in here, up there, there is a 10mm bolt that we need to remove. That 10mm bolt there, which I've already undone myself. So I'm gonna get my, 10mm socket up there and just finish removing that. And can then take it out. It'll all be a lot easier obviously with your two hands, but nevertheless I'm just trying to show you that procedure. Now with one of these, I've gone ahead and taken these two out. So you just pull the center out and then you'll be able to remove these clips. But you will find a few more in there. Now I'm just going to, this cover here is supposed to be secured somehow with a clip, this clip here that's fallen out. So that's supposed to be somewhere here, securing this to the bumper. But this one was a bit loose, but you just basically you lift it from this side and then you can take it out, and then that will release this. I don't think we need to remove the whole of that, but in there you will see one of those other clips again down there, which I already again undone. It was a little bit hard to find that one, to be honest. Let's get this light somewhere. It was a little bit difficult to find it because it was buried behind all the mud, so I had to clean all the mud in order to get to that one. And then there is another one just there, and that also was hiding in there, pretending not to exist. So there we are. Now we have 4 of those and a clip. But don't want to lose things, so I'm just gonna keep that and the 10mm. So all of these belongs to this side. Same procedure will be carried out on the other side, and that will release your bumper here and here. So now we have that area released. I don't think there is any more screws that we need to undo in here. I don't think so. I think this will basically slide out when we push it, but we need to release some nuts up there, and also we have these clips here. This one I already taken out, but basically all you want to do is open that bit there and you'll be able to pull this out. Same thing here. So if you get something like a screwdriver, open that bit and then pull the bumper out. That's the idea. But I'm gonna have to do that with my two hands. And we're getting there. Okay, once you remove all of that on the side of the bumper and the clips down here that we talked about, just pull them out, basically all of them, so they can be free. Same on both sides. Then if we move into the car, you may notice I already lifted that cover that sits here, and then that cover is also here. It's just a pull out. It's got two little clips on the sides, I think, clips onto the side, and obviously that reveals your wheel here. But the reason we remove that is because we need to take this 16mm nut here, and we need to remove the one here, which I already removed, which is one of these. And also there's another two 16mm and a 10mm we need to remove from inside of there and inside of that side. So if you take these covers out as well, take that one out, you will find that, well, on this side actually we need to remove this container here, and for that you need to remove two Torx screws, which I already removed. They are T20s, two T20s, and then you'll be able to take this out, put it to one side, and in there is the two 16mm nuts. That we need to remove, and also the 10mm, which is somewhere here, that one there, and there will be another 10mm hiding over here, as you can see it there. Again, I've already removed it, so go ahead and remove that. It will be the same thing on this side. So take this cover out. Let's get it out of the way. And obviously I've already removed the 16mm there. I've already removed the 16mm from down there, and the 10mm that goes there. But we need to access the other 10mm that holds onto the bumper. Now you may have seen that move by itself. That's because I already removed the Torx that holds this toolkit in place. These T20s, there's 4 of them. There is one there, 2, 3, and the 4th one is here. With all of those removed, you'll be able to take this whole thing out in one piece. It's a little bit heavy, and that will reveal the 10mm that we need to undo right there. So let's try to undo that. Actually, okay, the other one came out with a washer, the little washer that's in there. Anyway, doesn't matter. Now keep all your things together. All of this belongs to one side, and then we have the other ones which I haven't taken out yet, but I've taken out. Okay, having been able to remove all the nuts and the bolt from there, and obviously all the retaining clips from here and this side, we should now be able to pull this bumper out. It should come out without much drama, really. Just needs to slide out. Okay, although we are ready to remove this bumper, one thing I didn't see is that the exhaust mount is actually mounted onto the bumper. So before you can remove the bumper, you need to disconnect this here, otherwise you won't be able to pull it out. But otherwise there's not much else holding this bumper in there, so you can just freely pull it out. But obviously I haven't removed the mount there, but you'll be able to pull this out like so. It will just come off, but it might be a little bit heavy, so just make sure you do it with someone else, so it doesn't fall out and it gets damaged. Now in this case, I don't really need to remove the whole bumper. I just need to find a hole where I can run my sensors into here, where I'm going to fit the box, the unit that holds the sensors. So if you need to remove the bumper, this is how you can do it. I'm gonna end this video here, but I will continue another video with the same procedure if you want to fit some sensors as well. So in that case, hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.